Emergencies can happen anywhere, even in Germany, but don't worry. Today, I will teach you some important phrases to stay safe. If you ever need urgent help, just shout Hilfe, Hilfe. That means help. Hilfe. Now, if you need a doctor, say Ich brauche einen Arzt. Ich brauche einen Arzt. That means I need a doctor. If there is real emergency and you need the police, you should say Rufen Sie die Polizei. Rufen Sie die Polizei. That means call the police. One more tip, if you ever need to call the police in Germany, dial 110 on your phone, and for an ambulance, dial 112. Keep those numbers in mind in case you want to travel down to Germany or live there. Great job. Now you know how to ask for help in German, and that's a wrap for our 7 days language challenge. You all did amazing. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time. Tschüss!